guys, I'm Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Today I'm teaching you Right by Mac Miller. We're going to do it in all open chord format for the most part. There are a few inversions that you could throw in there, but it is in standard tuning and you won't need a capo for this. So with that said, let's get started. If you like the video and you enjoyed the lesson, please consider liking and subscribing. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We really appreciate the support. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about the chords we need for this song. The first one is a D minor 7th. You could get away with just a regular D minor like that, but we want it to sound like the recording. So if we want it to sound cool like that, we're going to actually do the D minor 7th, but we'll do it as an open kind of a chord here. You do have to bar your index over the first two strings, first and second fret. They call that a hinge bar in classical music. And then your middle finger goes on the second fret of the third string, and you strum from the fourth string down, just like that, all right? And then you go to an F. We'll do like an open version. You could do the bar too. If you're close, you do the bar, but I'm going to give you guys the open version. So it's third fret, fifth string with my third fret, fourth string with my pinky, middle finger, second fret, third string, and my index on the first fret, second string. All right, and you can even get away with that first string in there. That's not the exact voicing they use on the recording, but if you didn't want that in there, you can throw it in there every once in a while just for some flavor, but it's really just the middle four strings that I'm hearing. So that's just like that. Then you can bar your first finger with that hinge bar to get that first string to ring out as well. And then you go to, this one is kind of the wild card here because it's a G minor 7th. I'm going to give you two ways to play it, okay? So if you watched me, I was doing it like this, which is kind of a popular way, kind of a jazz voicing here for G minor 7th. All right? So that's your middle finger on the third fret, sixth string, and then your third finger bars the third fret, fourth, third, and second string. And your middle finger kind of mutes this fifth string on the the fifth string. And you strum from the fifth string down. It kind of gives it this open thing with no fifth in it. All right, and then sometimes that fingering can really bother people like that. You can also, I'll give you the second way here. In fact, I'll give you three ways. So your index can go on the sixth string, third fret, and 2, 3, and 4 will play the third fret, fourth, third, and second string, just like that. Okay. Again, your index will mute that fifth string, just like that, okay? And those are the only three chords in the song. Now, the third way to play the G minor 7th is the full bar. Bum, bum, bum. All right, so you put your third finger at the fifth fret, fifth string, and your index simply bars the sixth string all the way down to the first, just like that. That's kind of cool. You can throw the ninth in there, kind of get that R&B thing going. Anyway, so, yeah, let's go through the strumming pattern for this thing, and we'll break it down. So it goes down, 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 up, up, down, down. All right, so it's a D minor 7th, down, 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 up, up, down, down, and then G minor 7th, down, down, up, down, down. All right, so that's the simplest way to kind of strum through it. The main rhythms, I'll break that down, is down, 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 and down, down, 3, 4. So that's 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then it goes to the F, 2, 3, G minor F, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that again. D minor, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 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 2, 3. Then you go to the F, 2, 3, G minor F. Now, if you throw the strumming in there, you got 1, down, down, up, miss, up, down, down. So that's down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, which is kind of weird, all right? But that's what it is. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, after that. So I'll do that again. Down, down, up, down, 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 down. All right, so that's the main rhythm there. And then when you get to that F, down, down, up, down, down. I threw a little extra thing in there. You don't really need to do it. I would just go or F, 2, 3, G minor, F. You don't need to actually strum anything through there, so disregard that. So I will do that again. You can actually, once you get that main strumming down, you can actually throw an extra down up in there if you're really feeling it and you're feeling confident. So it's like down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That's the extra. So down, 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 up, 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 That's literally the entire